Good morning, everyone. It's Darla at Scrap Happens here with Tuesday's tip. And today I wanted to show you how to make this very simple card with a framelit that I think is not seen enough, not noticed. Most of the women in my class where we made this, took this card as a sample. Most of the women had never seen this die. So I thought this is kind of maybe an important video to make. I had a world card making, not world card making class on Friday night because my world card making class was canceled. My daughter bought a new house and had a housewarming party on World Card Making Day. So I have two not world card making classes scheduled for this month to make up for it. Anyway, this is one of the cards that we made at it. And I just wanted to show you real quick, especially this framelit so that you don't miss it. It's such a fun framelit. So here it is. It is the Stitched Labels Framelit dies. And this is the piece that makes that really groovy design. I'm going to show it to you in just a minute. It also comes with the little X's and the stitches and the circle, two circles and a heart. And then it has this on the back. These are really cool frames that are stitched along the edges. Also, really fun framelit. I'm not used to them having framelits on the back, so I've missed a couple of framelits. So I hope, I've had a couple other demos tell me they have too, so I hope you're not missing them. Anyways, let's get started. I just took a 3 3/4 by 5 piece of crumb cake cardstock. Put it on my Big Shot. Oh, I forgot the top. Sorry. I need to grab it. Got it. Run it through my Big Shot. And here it is. Isn't it awesome? I just think it makes a really great background on any color of paper. Really, it's just really great. So next I'm going to cut out the circle. I just have some scrap white paper here. I'm not putting it there because that looks like it's dirty. So I know it looks like I'm being wasteful, but I'm just finding a clean spot on this piece of scrap whisper white paper. And there you have it. Okay, I'm going to set my Big Shot aside real quick. This framelit comes as a bundle with a stitched all around stamp set. So these are the stamps that come in it. You can buy the bundle as a clear mount for $46.75, or you can buy just the framelits for $33. And the stamp set is $19. So, but for this card, I didn't use any of the stamps from the Stitched All Around. I was making a birthday card, and one of the options for my Not World Card Making Day was all occasions, or they also had the Christmas option, so they could make all occasion cards or all Christmas cards. So this was for birthday. I used the Best Birds as my go-to stamp for happy birthday. I really like this happy birthday sentiment, and it fits on a lot of different pieces of cardstock. So I just stamped it in Berry Burst. Oh, I need to re-ink that after my class. And then I cut just a small piece of the polka dot tool, maybe 2 inches there, and another maybe 1.5 inches of the mini ruffled ribbon, also in Berry Burst, like the ink. And then I just adhered it. I didn't bring any adhesive over. So let me do that really quick. So I just put some of the nail adhesive on there. Oh, first I did it to the polka dotted tool. That's a little crooked. And then I put it on the ruffled ribbon. And then I'm going to just trim it at an angle. And then I took the sentiment and adhered it with dimensionals. You can use mini or regular. Here I'm using the mini ones. Oops, that one came off. Well, this little bugger's gonna fight me. Okay, and then I added it to my card base. That's a little crooked. There we go, it's straight. And then I have a Whisper White card base as well to put this layer on. Super simple, quick, and easy card to make, but it's so cute, and I think it would be so much fun in different colors. I also added some pearls. You could add rhinestones. You could make this a Christmas card and use a Christmas sentiment and the red rhinestones. It'd be so cute. There's so many options. I hope you'll give it a try, and I hope you'll take a look at this these Thinlits, because they truly are fun Thinlits, and I don't want you to miss them. So that's what I have for you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a great week, and I'll see you next week with Tuesday's tip. Bye.